next few videos I'll be making, I'm going to delve deeper into the psyche of a narcissist and the impact this has on you. Also, I'm sure you've probably become aware of is that it's difficult to find someone who really understands what you're going through and believes your stories of abuse. You might find yourself explaining to a friend or even your therapist your experience in your day-to-day interactions with your narcissist, psychopath, abuser. But they just don't fully believe or fully understand what your experiences are. Because the experiences with a narcissist can be crazy because of their behavior. They can't wrap their heads around it. Today I'm going to discuss how when you're with a narcissist, whatever you want to get done or achieve will almost begin to seem impossible. You might find yourself shaking your head frequently, trying to figure out why, before you met your narcissist, abuser or psychopath, why you used to be very productive and now you find yourself a tired mess. With each day that passes, you find it harder and harder to achieve anything or any goal that you desire when you have a narcissist in your life. Even a simple task like cleaning your own house, making order out of chaos, has become a monumental task. But why? The narcissist has an amazing gift of keeping you off track, which they love to do. For example, you might mention that today you have set aside time to do the vacuuming and clean and tidy the house a bit. Upon hearing this, the narcissist will begin to distract you slowly but subtly from you achieving your goals for the day. They do this in a variety of ways. They'll start to pretend that they need help, or if you could help them do something else, and they'll start arguments or contradictions, anything but to distract you and dissuade you and unmotivate you from doing what you wanted to do. Hours will pass and you'll be physically and mentally and emotionally exhausted from the most simplest of things because they drained your energy because of the constant arguing and contradictions. They do this because they are so sick and twisted and can't stand that you have decided to be productive and get something done that day that they have not chosen or dictated for you to do. Because in their minds, if they did not give you an order to do something, or did not dispense permission for you to do something, they in their twisted minds will not allow you to achieve your goals, simple or complex. The narcissist has an intense need to control everything about you, whether it be in your benefit or not. They need to be in control regardless of the consequences. In the beginning of the relationship, you probably never realized or caught on to this tactic. But if you've been around them for a long time, sometimes it's usually years, you will begin to see them do this. It is persistent, it's a negative pattern and controlling behavior. Beware of this. Being aware of this is crucial, or you will become confused and mystified as to why your life is out of control and you can't keep up with basic life responsibilities and duties. The trick is to catch it before it all spirals out of control, which it may do anyway, because a narcissist psychopath is good at taking anything and twisting it into something that it never was. Don't tell them about your plans about anything in the first place, so they don't have any knowledge of what it is you want to do or achieve, so that they don't have a chance to sabotage it in the first place. I know this becomes hard to do because you think that your friend, partner, husband or wife would be happy to know what you are doing so that they can either participate or encourage you. But that's not going to happen with a narcissist. What's going to happen with a narcissist is they will do everything in their power to disrupt you, distract you and divert you. Sounds insane, doesn't it? But that's exactly what they do. You know deep down inside that life shouldn't be this crazy, chaotic and harmful and hurtful, yet here you are living that very dynamic each day. Keep working on your reality of knowing you can heal yourself and validate your experiences. You deserve an amazing life free from abuse. If you would like help or more information, please contact me. In the meantime, stay safe, stay sane, and see you in the next video. I wish you peace and blessings to you.